Hey everyone, this is Ben back with you in the model shop. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm still working on the big mow back here behind me, but I wanted to take a minute and do just a little side project. I was at my local hobby store and found a set of Ban Dai Star Wars kits that are really little. They have 3 of them. This one includes the TIE Advance and TIE 1 fighter set. They got the X-Wing, and then there's one that comes with 2 A-Wing starfighters. I'm a huge science fiction fan, I always have been, and I've always enjoyed building sci-fi models. This channel, and most of you watch primarily for the ship builds, so if this isn't something you're interested in, feel free just to go ahead and skip, I understand. Still working on the Missouri, we'll still have some Missouri videos coming out soon here. But these are quick, fun little builds, and in the time that I took to build this first kit, maybe I could have made, like, you know, 5 more of these, well, not 5, but I probably could have made like 10 more of these sights for the Missouris or looking cannons, you know, see? So anyway, this is just a little bit of a distraction. Anyway, I'm going to put these in a separate playlist. I'll pump them out here over the next few weeks. In between working on the Missouri. But this kit is going to start out, or this video is going to start out talking about our TIE Advance and TIE Fighter set. So this will just kind of be like an open box review, and then we'll assemble the kit and put it together. I'm not doing anything fancy with it, just assembling it out of the box and painting it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. So here's the box starting out. You can see in my hand it's not very big. So you get the TIE Advanced fighter, Darth Vader's fighter, TIE Advanced, and then just a regular TIE fighter. Pretty simple box, nothing fancy about it. Opening it up, here's what you get on the inside. First thing we're going to take a look at is on this kit, they print the instructions to save paper on the inside of the box. So the only problem I have with this, besides showing them to you upside down, is they are printed clearly, but they're small. So like when you zoom in like that, you can see what's going on just fine. But there's my thumb in the shot. It's kind of small instructions, so we do have to go ahead and follow those. Let's see here. So we've got, I haven't opened these yet. Comes in one huge thing. Get this opened up. And here are all of the sprues. So the stickers here, and these are, they look, yeah, they are stickers. It says so down there in the corner. Probably not going to be using those. That's fine though. Black base. Alright, here are our sprues. So here's the reason I'm interested in this stuff. It's really small, but check out the detail. I mean, this is some finely molded pieces right here. I'm pleasantly surprised and impressed for given the scale. Wings are TIE Fighter, you know, and then right here, that's really nice detail. I mean, given how small this is, that's pretty impressive. Should go together easily. Here's the other parts for the TIE Advanced. So anyway, what we're gonna do, so here's the thing I don't know if I mentioned before, there are no clear parts in these kits. So that's the window. And as you can see, it's just a solid piece. You could, I'm sure, take this all apart, cut it open, and replace it with some clear pieces. That wouldn't be impossible. But then you get this big piece to deal with. There's probably no interior. Take a look at that detail there. I don't know that I would monkey with that. We're not going to do that. We're going to build this pretty much stock out of the box. And what we'll do is we'll end up painting this like a gloss black, just to give it some kind of a sheen when you look at it. So, all right, that's it. Let's start building.
final product. I used the default display stand that came with the kit just to show it off so everyone can see what you get. I think that the detail is exceptional. I think that the size is nice. You can put it on display just about anywhere you want, and they were a lot of fun. They work out great in any kind of diorama, and they were super affordable. So I think that, yeah, these are really neat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this fun little video. Like I said in the beginning, I have 2 more kits to do that I'll work on intermittently, and I'll put up in a little series. Well, there'll be a playlist just covering the Star Wars ships, but yeah, just a nice fun little side project. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.